How to do Archero 2 glitch. So the glitch that we're trying out right now in this video is actually pulling up or drawing up rewards from the game. So if you head out straight into this trophy icon, you can see that you can draw any talent cards available. So say for example, you have sufficient amount of gold that you can draw right now. What you want to do to reset it is just to exit from the game and then heading out straight into your phone settings, then scroll down a bit, or even just simply typing in time from the search box. So from here, you know what to do. You just have to get your specific time, go back at least an hour or 30 minutes prior to that certain time. And once you have resetted it, just simply go back to the game and try to draw once again. So I tried this multiple times, and all these talent cards that I have um, after resetting my current time on the phone did not actually got been removed. So what you want to do on your end is just to draw again till you have a plenty amount of talent cards right here. So as of 2025, that's the only glitch that is still working in Archero 2.